Let's say you rent a $3,000 a month home, and per year that's going to come out to $36,000. Your agent will get in commission 3% of that $36,000, which is $1,080. Now let's say they have a buyer and the buyer's looking for a property $600,000, which is pretty average around here. They sell them a house, 3% of that is going to be $18,000. So to take you around to find a rental property, you're probably going to want to see 5, 6, 7 places. They're going to make $1,080. To take out the other clients that's looking to buy a place, they're going to make an $18,000 commission. There's just not enough money in it for the real estate agents to help you out in any way, and that's why you're not getting your phone calls returned to you. So what I suggest you do is you go on apartments.com, Craigslist, Zillow. They put rentals on there, and you're gonna have to call those management companies up. Sorry to tell you that, but that's just how it is.